So back on my funded account here, so now I also do have the microphone in here. What I wanted to say. Yeah. This is still somewhat holding here, I guess. Today I can also execute again through Jigsaw again, so I fixed the problem I had the other day. I want to be super patient today, so I'm not gonna rush anything. Ein bisschen, also recht. So das ist so laut, das hört man so durch.
Ja, wenn du singst, ist es auch nicht besser, oder?
So oh jeez. I'll make the new strategies here because I did. Yeah, waiting for the opening here. And I'm also I need to adjust some things here because I did re-download Jigsaw, so I'm waiting for the open, obviously. But where was this that it cancels all open orders? Q's is trying. Oof. Hard flush on the Q's. Reset on new position. No trading. Close outstanding orders when the position is closed. Alrighty. Okay. So I have a few possible scenarios for the day, but we'll see, I guess, on the open when we actually do open. We're approaching the highs now. This PPI number print is so close. Ooh. So Q's just flushed here. I want to watch closely here. Where so the Qs are breaking here. Qs are approaching highs. Yes is at the highs. Both are at the highs here. You might want to grab this. I gotta be very careful like shorting into this line. I would not fade this move here. So yes is at the highest, Q's not yet. Q's also approaching the highs now. Q's failing. Thing is, Q's did not hit the highs yet. Q's are failing. Yes, is failing. Like both markets are failing, but I think Q's needs to touch the highs as well. So I guess like there's the pop in both markets still in it. And it was a huge dump on the S, yeah. Qs are really struggling here. Now we do open. Qs are like dropping. Qs are dropping hard off the open. Qs are just falling here. Qs are just completely lots of sell pressure here. Now Qs are shooting back up. Might want a long yes here. No, not yet. Still too much selling pressure, lack of big buyers. I'm not longing here anything. Now Qs are picking up speed again here. Qs completely skip through here the Qs. So now the Qs took out the highs. Now things getting interesting here. S is trying as well. S still trying. S can't really. No. Qs are failing here. Let's see. If the S breaks here, I'm longing the Qs. First scalp. Like that would have been it here. Long opportunity possible on the S here. Qs just keep on ripping here. Longing the S here. Out again, like Q stopped going. That was kind of the move I was looking for, like. But I guess I should have just trusted my trade here. I'm gonna be patient. It was kind of obvious here the break, like just not willing to accept my risk here. Kind of sucks, but it is what it is, I guess. Oh. Qs keep on pushing here. But the S is somewhat failing. Look for a short on the Q somewhere here. Yes, is trying again at the highs. Q's failing here. a stop here. Like, I don't know why I don't have OCO set here. I need to set OCO here. No, that's the short. Ah, god damn it. I'm still kind of building this range here. Nice. Should have probably held this a little bit longer here, but was just a quick scalp here on the Qs. Because now we kind of grabbed this liquidity on the S below this pivot, so I kind of bottom ticked it, so we could be in for another push higher here. Let's see. Yep. Qs are really ramping up here. Oh, aha, top tick on the Qs. They're trying again. Ah, they fell in. Unless yes breaks here. But usually the Qs are the leader. And Qs to me shows. And they're trying again here. And he just really can't. Should have probably held it here, but I don't like the way it finds support here and is hovering around. So this could also very well just break to the top. So I needed to get out here. Yeah, this was kind of the push I was looking for. Yeah, it's fading too. Boo. Whoa, Q's ripping here once again. Not a top tick on the Q's. But we do have follow through. This is not a top tick. Q's are really trying. Q's are really trying here to hold themselves, but I think they're gonna. ES is at the bottom of the range now though. Like if ES finds buyers, Q's could finally go higher. Yeah, now ES does find buyer. Now Q's can break, I guess. Hard rejection again on the Q's here. I wanna shorting ES here. Shorting ES. I should have probably taken it off earlier, right away, on the flush. Or held it, like taking it for a tick here. But this can come back against me, so what I don't want to see, obviously. So it's counter trend there, you have to be really careful. Because now I would find myself in a losing trade here, I guess. I should have sold this on the rip lower. Ooh, huge push on the Qs here. Qs are trying again at the highs. Do the mid pivot this range here? So now they need to find buyers. Like Qs need to find buyer here ASAP. If Qs fall through here, Qs need to find buyers here if this wants to go higher. If Qs fail here, it could bring the entire market down, but they seem to be finding buyers here, I guess. Getting rejected off the mean again and again and again. Now they're breaking. Now I want a long ES here. Need to pull this. Qs are breaking. Good pull here. Execution on point today. Huge bottom tick on the ES here. On the Qs. But let's make this a little bit bigger here. Like kind of same size here. This looks very good now. So finally the bigger buyer stepping up also. Trying to long this yet again here. I need to get out. Ah. Don't know. I'll wait for a bit here. I want to be careful here. The mean keeps on pulling this obviously back in. No, I'm okay with this trade. They should pay me now though. Q's top ticked here. I need to give this the point of control here. More patience, more patience. Getting chopped up here again in the order flow. So point of control shift higher here. It's holding here though. Q's bottom tick this range. Q's are attempting to break out here. Yep. And I should be in this NES long, like I really should be in it, but I'm not, because I'm dumb. Need to watch more price action, less laser focused on the other flow. Hard top tick on both markets. Could also do with just a pullback. It was a little bit too fast for pullback, in my honest opinion here. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. So the Q's kind of almost middle, almost to the back, to the bottom of this range. The S is kind of holding the middle. So ES looks a little bit stronger than the Q's here. The S is almost back at the highs. Q's is way off here. Hoping to get a fill here on the S. I want to give this a little bit of a briefer here. Because this does have huge potential here. I think I should have held this here longer actually, but don't know, like the way it stalled and such, like NQ. Yeah, good thing I pulled it here. Hard top take on the Qs. But immediately reclaim. Don't know. If I don't know, I'll stay out. Like I gave back enough already today. Ooh. So now Qs are like at top of this range as well. So now the two markets are kind of in sync again, I guess you could call it. And if you think about like kind of recently, like yes, it's now lagging a little bit behind. No mid pivot here inside, so this is now we're kind of mid pivoting here. But it ain't strong enough. Oof, yep. Just what I thought here on the Qs. Yeah, it's also giving out here. Interesting. Qs are lacking follow through here. No longer. S still stuck in this range, so S is still stuck in this range here. Qs are kind of breaking down. Not really showing much strength here on the Qs. Oh no, that was a good bottom tick here, like one tick lower than the previous swing, and found strong buying. Going down here again. Watching very closely here. I don't really see much strength here. This is going down. The same pivoting here. It's going down. I mean, it's kind of like building some volume here, but it's, I don't know. Yes. Oh, this is the flush I want to see. I still want to be holding this trade here, I guess. I would like the ES, like I don't know why the ES or how the ES can hold up here. I really don't. The ES is holding this range somehow, even though the Qs are just completely dumping. So either the Qs are gonna rubber band back up, or the S is just gonna flush. One of those two. But I more likely think that the S is gonna have a puke in it. Yep. And here we come. Yeah, here comes the puke. Qs just keep on dumping here. Qs does not seem like they're finding a bottom anywhere close here. No, maybe. Oh, this. But you, in my opinion, still want to be careful with longing either of those, because I don't know, like I just think the S kinda needs to flush before I can go up, but obviously I can be wrong. I could have maybe longed around here. It's okay. I already took a lot of trades today, so I'll stay patient. Just trying to stay patient here. So we completely broke through the middle of the range here. At VPOC again on the S. You still have a long way to catch up here. Might want to long the cues on a pullback if we get one, but they're probably just squeezing at this point. We are at the VPOC and holding kind of above the VPOC on ES. We're holding at the volume point of control here. So we do expect some sort of pullback here on the ES as well. Maybe towards here again. It's kind of struggling to get higher here. It's just broke. I should have bought this pullback here maybe. Big maybe, I guess. I'll get the top of this range again. Oh, selling off hard here. But this could just be an inventory correction as well. So I want to be careful. Looks weak though. So now we're again at the bottom of this range on the ES here. Let's see if it holds. Still have heavy selling into it. Doesn't look good. Looks super bearish. I think we're going down now. Don't think we can hold here, like maybe, but okay. That looks nice. I still think we might be going back to 2250 on the US. Where do we have the open? 21. We'll see, I guess, but oh. Strong buying coming in now. It's kind of holding here. Oh, it's still range bound. Might come back to the mean here. Yep. I mean, it's pulling it in. Schatz. Well, mean kind of got rejected here in the S, I guess. But I want to trust it, like. Could still find buyers here. So let's see. I'm just honestly like. Now he has finally had a flush out here. So now if we do find buyers, like, we could go, I guess. Oh, it's risky. Having a little bit problems with my confidence today. Okay. Wie bitte? Nein, überhaupt nicht. 18 Dollar im Plus. Ja, auf und ab. Mhm. Yeah, I took a couple trades already, like, took a couple, you can see the dots here, took one scalp here, another break even here, and then a couple ones here. But just the $18 after commissions right now. So, not much. Had a couple bad ones. And so like 5 or 6 trades, I guess, total today. One, two, three, four. 8 trades or so. I'm in this range. Thinking about shorting the Qs here for a break. Low. And we just saw at the bottom of this range here. I guess just keeps on testing this 27, 25s here. And Qs is just kinda Qs is trying to hold. Like Qs is really trying, but the problem is if S just falls through here like that, we see a mass liquidation of all longs and Qs like. So that's why it's so tempting to short the Qs here. Like now the S does break. But was this just a bottom tick now, or what is an actual break? Seems to just have been a bottom tick here. Let's see. Do we have follow through? That's not a question. Can we see follow through? If not, I'm actually considering longing the Qs here. If we don't see follow through on the S here. But we kind of do, we keep on seeing selling here. This is breaking now. This was the short trade I was looking for, basically. But it's fine. Now is he struggling now here? 2750s or they ain't struggling here. Would love to long the Qs here, but too much risk. Like I would need to risk a full stop down into this low here. Could maybe long the S, but obviously here is some pullback to be expected. I'll wait for the perfect trade and I'm gonna nail it. That's a mission for today. I'm thinking about longing around here. 88s. Thinking about longing around 88s here, but might not get it here. Let's see the reaction here. Are we just falling through, or do we have... Now we are holding though, but too much selling pressure for me. Now we are hovering it. I thought the brace did here. Didn't go off, unfortunately. Well, or fortunately, I guess. You can never know. So yes. Ooh. But the yes is holding up well. Once again, doesn't make much sense here. And look yes, look yes. Either one is wrong. Like, who is wrong? Why can't I fucking... No. Wanted to exit here. Jesus, I wanted to exit here. Like, holy fuck. Pressed exit. That sucks so with the shitty... Oh, fuck. Fuck's sake. I was pressing exit. It sucks with the execution here. Still looking for a push higher here. Looking for a push back to the mean here. It's lagging here. Ah, Jesus. Ah, I should have just maybe taken it around here. No, this was probably it. Let's see, still wanna see the I still wanna see the S like bottom tick here before I long the Qs like looking for a trade back to the mean here. I would have loved to get long here on the pullback. Basically, like I should have just put a limit here. I should have. It's going to the mean, exactly where I wanted it to go. We somewhat seem to be struggling here. maybe should have left my stop on here. And it was just bad, like. I should have just left my stop on here, basically. I can't go to break even so fast. Like, this is always gonna stop me out if I do. Yep. Ah, fuck's sake. Oh. That was weird. Oh, that's so painful. If this is real on ES, the queues are really lagging behind. Cutting this for a small win because CS is kind of looking like this is not real. And back to the bottom of the range on the US here. We're not pivoting off it strong here. Do have big bias, but oh, now Qs are coming back in strong here. Why don't I long if I see it? Jeez Christ. More trust, like. Yes, is failing here again. But Qs ain't even back at the mean yet. So big break on the S. Ah, jeez. Just in case. I should have taken the profit when I had it here. Yes. Should have taken it in a flush. Or just held it longer. But yeah, this was dumb. Like, trying to break even on that one, but painful. So now we kind of top tick the mean here. Loki don't want to fight the trend here, but yeah, it's also setting up here. They're all setting up for the break. So finally a top tick here. So I might want to shove it where, like, we shut it up here. No, didn't get filled to a tick here. Ah, fuck's sake, like, didn't get filled on this move to a tick now, like, that's... Oh... I do get the move and I didn't... Oh, that's so painful. That's so painful, yeah. That's so painful. God damn it. Entry wasn't the best here. Kind of stalling here, which is not good for me. Kinda need to see it fall through now. I just bottom ticked. Need to get out of this. I top ticked as well, but now we could see the flush. It does look better now. I don't know, like, I don't like this trade. Also, the stop bottom ticked here, so. Looks like we wanna go back to the mean, I guess. Yeah, now it's really looking good. I know I expect like I think like they took out the liquidity here. Like yes, bottom ticked. Trying to get long in here on the yes. That's kind of for a swing here on the yes. I wanna even play this for a break of high of day maybe. Don't like how the cues are. Now they kind of bottom ticked here. Like now I'm lagging. I would love to long the cues here as well, but oh. Longing the cues here as well. Obviously, I don't get a fill. Like, that's such a pain here. Oh. I entered with join bid and didn't get a fill on my Q straight here. So, I guess it is what it is, but that's just super annoying. Yeah, I'm holding this. I tried to enter on the Qs as well here, but it just didn't fill me. Now we do at the middle, so like we did mid pivot here. Yeah, we kind of mid pivoted here. Like I kind of want to get out here low key, but I'm holding it like I guess, but. I really don't like this. I'm keeping them on because I see the Qs just keep on pushing, so that's why I'm kind of holding this CS trade here, but the Qs just keep on failing here at the VPOC. That's really not good. I want to stay patient here though, but it's just so hard. Now we're finally making kind of higher low on the S here, I'd say. We're finding a support right here. Qs do not look good. Qs look like they wanna flush lower. This could drag the S here. Qs flushed, but now ES is really picking up steam. So I'm longing Qs here as well for a break now of this VPOC here. I think they can break it. I'm cutting this already, just for a smaller one. I think I should hold this here as well, but I'm already exposed to the long side with ES, so I'm fine with cutting this. I should have had lag, obviously. This was just everything perfect here. I should have held this. I wanna watch 31s here. Qs are breaking. Qs are looking very good. Ooh, Qs just broke. I kinda really wanna cut it though, like. Cutting it the reason I cut it, I know I should give it brief, but I really want to cut it just for P&L sake. Now I'm almost back to break even here, and now it's picking back up. I can get back even on a pullback. I should have held it. Sorry, Jesus. But it's fine. I'm actually more mad at this trade here, because ES did spike, and yeah, I know I should have let it. I know I need to let it breathe. You are 100% right. And I'm more mad at the NQ trade, to be honest, because this area, so this point of control area on the NQ was such high EV as well, and and here we bottom ticked at the same time where we found buy on the S, so everything looked perfect for a long here on the Qs. Yep, we got it. No, just like you said, what you said basically happened. I should have held it, obviously, but it's fine. It's fine. I'm actually like I said, like I'm more mad at the AQ trade here than anything else. Because on 06s, 10s, like Qs are still trying to push highs. Thank Iceberg. Like, sorry for not holding it. Like, you should have trusted him more, but I just wanted to kind of break even here on the day. And that's just, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, exactly like you said. Like if it's about bankrolling here at this point, especially because I'm on the PR now. If I wouldn't have been down on the day, I guess like I would have obviously had this 100% for the break, but I kind of just needed to bankroll. That's also why I cut the NQ trade and I had the double long exposure. But that was like, especially the NQ trade was, in my opinion, like a real good setup because we had this, like you said, like this high EV 31s. We had it top bottom tick here. We had big buyers come in here. So like everything aligned for the NQ trader. Problem is I don't know, like I've not been looking for so long at NQ. Like I've been looking on the S, so I don't know how this top tick liquidity grabs look on the NQ so much like I do on the S. So I don't know like if this would have been the S here, like I kind of think it really wants to take this liquidity and at least top tick it, but I'm not so 100% sure with the Qs. Like yesterday we did the same like yesterday was similar. Like yesterday we had a strong push up, and then Q didn't manage to top tick it later on. Like it top tick early on the push, and yes, then later on the day like top ticked it. So yes, like I don't know, like yeah, narrative. Like yesterday, that the top tick to 23s on the S was later. Yeah, I think like managing, like bankroll managing, is the most important thing. But we're trying here. We're trying on the Qs, but yes, it's really not. Not helping the Qs. Let's say it like that. I do think like we came to for 3 ticks short here, and the S is like really looking weak. So yes, ain't helping the Qs here at all. No, the Qs are falling in. The S is coming down with it. Want to be really picky on my next trade. Because the next trade kind of decides, like, heading into like my last 30 minutes or so, 40 minutes of trading today. So I guess the next trade will decide if I'm gonna be ending my day red or green. So I gotta be really picky about it. Can we see like maybe a bottom tick here to below those 6s on the Qs? Or like I need some sort of range to establish. Oof. Q's looking not too bad here. Yes, looking not too bad here, but let's wait. Like I want to get a little bit more picky here. Like yes, did take out this pivot here. Q's not yet, so Q's are a little bit stronger than the S still. And yes, just the thing is that the S doesn't show me a bottom here. Like it just keeps on falling, and then Q's probably trying to take out the high of day here, but the S is just tanking, so they really can't. Point of control also shifted higher on the S, and it's holding. Q's looking weak. Q is looking very weak, and overextended a little bit, I guess. I mean, not too much because they didn't make a new high, but they're holding up very well here. So the Qs are holding up very well. The S kind of fell back into this range here again on the Qs. Now they saw 8 as high EV and it's probably gonna get blown the fuck out. Yep. Especially if ES makes a new low here. Like, Jesus. Now ES is back in this range. Qs are at the VPOC. Qs keep on flushing, yeah. Still everything looks bearish here to me. Don't want a long yet. Even though this does, no, it's, yeah, we're like completely falling here. Would love to see the S get one tick lower here and have kind of a flush. Give me a flush. Now I would love to see no follow through on the S. Give me no follow through on the S here. Need to see big buyers on the S. One along the Qs here. Ugh. Got out here close to break even, I guess. Didn't look good anymore. No, it does look good again. Don't know. Maybe get back in here. Jeez. That's probably not a bottom here. No, the top bottom ticked. Going back to the mean with it. Danke. Everything is looking good here. Everything is looking fantastic. No, get out. Like, why do we get out? Like, everything looked fantastic. Fucking fantastic. On the best trades, I always get out. Like, I always get out on my best trades. Like, I really did not like this trade any longer here. We kind of got rejected twice here for 30. Oh. Glad I got out here for some profit. So Q's just made a new high here. Yeah, still kind of stuck. Q's pushing. Q's kind of, you could say Q's is kind of at the high of the second leg here. Yeah, it's approaching point of control. Q's still pushing. Ah. Yeah, it's kind of decent today, I guess. Like, not perfect day, obviously. Like, down $46 today. Took a lot of trades, too much, I guess, but it is what it is. So, yes, just broke. It was kind of meh, I'd say. It was attempting, but just struggling, but attempting. Yes, not trying to hold the VPOC here to the upside. VPOC and Q shifted higher. Kinda don't really want to fade into this, but starting like it wants to top out here. Okay, it's pushing again. It's trying. S can't really. S seems that it can't go higher, so. Yeah, taking this. Taking my money on that one. Oh, back in the green like this day is just a total mess. Yeah, I don't know. Like, it's kind of iffy right now. Like, it's hard to say. Like, they're both at the point of control. If you can see the red line here, the green line here, this is the point of control. I don't think, like, I think they're going back down. Like, I think Qs are heading lower. Yes, probably with it. Yeah, once it breaks, it's go wild. But I think we're just at the mean here, really. Like, it's hard to tell. Like, we're in the middle of this range on both. So you can't really tell, and you actually don't want to, like, really play this as well. I don't think it's going lower here. I think especially the Qs need some sort of pullback. But at least on a shorter time frame. Now we're getting it. Yep, now it's going. Like, I maybe should have shorted it. I was pretty certain, but like, maybe I should have shorted it. Like, maybe, like, yeah, I know we really, yeah, I shoulda, woulda. Like, obviously, you never know, but uh, maybe shorting the Qs here, but the problem is it could come all the way to VPOC again, but yeah, obviously, just if you're playing a big, I should look at. I'm holding my trades like what, like 30 seconds or so on average. Like maybe sometimes he has trades a little bit longer, but my Q trades are like 30 seconds or so, I guess. So you can't really like compare this with. No, he has kind of top ticked here. Might want to short the Qs here once again for another leg down here. Now Q's kind of not really, kind of bottom tick, but not really. Like Q's could come back to point of control here. Yes, not moving though. Like yes, it's just staying at the lows. Now yes, starts move to with it, but not really. Like yes, it's just staying here. Like Q's is really. Now it's kind of looks good for a long again, I guess. I don't know, like, hello A, are you trading yes or Qs? Qs. Yeah, Qs. No, I think you could take partials now. But don't know, like, obviously do what you think is best. Stay to your own strategy and stuff. I'm taking a short on the Qs here. And out. Nice one. Yeah, it's like completely different. Like I'm just looking for the next couple seconds here. Jeffy, what do you mean with who's profitable? Like now I'm finally at 87 bucks in the green for today. And this is a, like you can see here, like PR Apex, so this is a funded account. Like if there's PR in front of it, it's funded. If you're with Apex, like that's how it works. Yeah, then like if you're planning on 1 hour trades, like yeah, that's different, I guess. The thing why I wouldn't be so confident in the long in general, like because I don't know where you got in, but he has top ticked already. So he has top ticked. He has top ticked on the daily, as on the hourly or whatever you want to call it, and now it just mid pivoted the range. So it looks very likely that we're gonna puke to the downside on the S, I guess. So I think the S is breaking down, and obviously it will drag the Qs with it. So at least for what I'm seeing here, like yes is yeah, just a complete range today here. But I think now we're breaking down on the S. I think we could just bottom tick the range also, but with this top tick, now mid pivot, now I think yes is breaking lower. I don't want to get in here because I don't have a good stop, but I think yes is breaking down now and probably gonna drag the Qs with it, and We're probably heading, I guess, into the 20s at least. Just my 2 cents. But now here's a bottom tick. No, not really. Like, can't consider this a bottom tick. And this is going lower. Like, I don't see this holding. Like, I just don't see this holding. I think this is going like really far. Like, this could be a bottom tick, obviously, and reverse back to the mean. No problem whatsoever with that. Right now it's even like kind of looking as such, but the thing, we don't have big buying here in the lows. Like, I think this is breaking down and will probably drag the Qs with it. Just my 2 cents. Not sure though, but I'm not confident enough to take a trade on it, especially because I don't have a good stop anywhere to place really. Because your stop like kind of would need to be the mid pivot, and even that mid pivot could be top ticked again, and it's just acting such magnetic. Like, this could pull this trade right back in easily, and so you don't want to enter at the bottom of the range. Like, if you want to short this for the breakdown, you should have entered somewhere around here on the point of control here, I guess. So you can hold this for the break, or let's see if it does want to break, but you can't really enter at the lows. Yeah, but I think I really think he has top ticked hard, then flushed through the complete range. Now mid pivot at the middle. Like, this is looking very weak, to me at least. The only thing is, like, the Qs are not making new lows here. Like, that's what's, the Qs are holding up, and I think the Qs are to some extent like the Qs and then the ES looks very different today actually. The Qs didn't top tick yet. So the Qs just made a lower high, which is kind of weird, I guess, to some extent. So the Qs didn't top tick yet. Now we finally see some big buying here on the ES, but I think it ain't enough. So the Qs, if the Qs start to give out, like, I think the only reason the ES is not breaking right now is that the Qs are kind of holding strong. But once the Qs give out here, like, this will just tank the ES and therefore even like speed up the NQ. So it's actually a good risk reward play here to short the Qs, but just Qs have such high tick value that I don't really want to short it. I guess you could short it with micros, but I'm not in the game of macros. Now you see some strength on the ass, but also not really. Like, ooh, the Q's really shoving here. Maybe like this was a flaw after. So right now we're looking like we want to go back to the mean again. Strong buying on both. Let's see. You could theoretically try to just short it here with a tight stop, I guess. You could try to short one of these pops with a tight stop. But the thing is, just this mean is, especially today, so strong. So it could pull the trade in here. And right now we're looking strong on both, like both looking strong. Yes, and Qs are looking very strong. So you don't really want to short into this. Like, looks like you want to go back to the mean here. And now we probably have a lot of shorters stuck who wanted to sell this breakdown. So they all gonna get liquidated. The Qs are really pushing here. Qs are already above the mean here. Yes, lagging behind hard. Qs are really ripping. Qs are just completely ripping here. Could even long the S now, like at this point. At this point, like, I do think the S wants to go at least to the mean as well. Like the Qs are just ripping here. Jesus. Look how strong the Qs are. It's so yes, right around the mean now. Qs came to the tick to this pivot from earlier. Yeah, no, like the Eminis like also told me in the podcast we did together, like on last week Friday, that he likes to do macros for bigger plays, but I can't hold it anyway, so I don't see the point for me in going for bigger plays. Couldn't, so again, like the Qs are way above the mean already. Yes, didn't even make it there yet. But a push to the mean here would maybe let the Qs top tick here. Now they kind of coming back together again because the Qs are going down, the ES is going up. So now we kind of like, the markets are kind of sinking back up here again. But we'll see. Let's see. Like I would love to see a top tick here on the Qs and a top tick here on the S at the same time. This would be my short entry. So if they both top tick here, this would be so juicy. Like I would love that. Now come on, give it to me. Give me the top tick here, both please. We just made a double top here, no top tick yet. I kind of want to see them both top tick at the same time here. Qs are trying, but can't get up there. The thing is why I don't want to short here is because this top tick could have a puke, a kind of mass liquidation in it, which could really kind of push far. So once again, risky with your stop. Yes, is failing. Yes, is failing at the VPOC here. Now we did break on the Qs. So now the Qs broke. But this is not a top tick. This is a kind of looks more like a break to me. Now we do see the rejection here of it. Now you could short the Qs, I guess. Now you would have a stop for the Qs. Thinking about shorting. Fingers on the executing button here. But I might just run the highs here. The high is so close. But why is ES so lagging behind here? So Qs are trying to make a new high of the day here. God damn it. Now Qs just made a new high. Sorry, and I don't know, like. That was a bad short entry. That was a very bad short entry. Getting out here. Don't know, like the entry wasn't good, and I should have held it. Like, yeah. Don't know, like my entry was just bad, to be honest. The thing is, I don't trust this NQ break because AS is just sitting at the mean. Like something is way off here. I don't know what it is. I honestly don't care either, but one of those markets is so wrong. So we either see a huge follow-up on the S, or just the Qs just completely fall back in here. And they're doing that right now. Don't know why I pulled the trade. And I do know why I pulled it, because I pulled it because my entry was off. Like now I see it go without me. Oh god. It's fine, I guess, but ooh, now both markets starting to agree here. Like we see a strong rejection here of the Qs. And here it's also finally starting like they want to push. But I don't get it. Like Qs is so strong. And the S is just chilling at the mean. Like, I don't know. Qs is attempting again. Attempting to break it yet again here. I couldn't. Like this time like we went one tick lower here. Thinking about reshorting here. Should have pulled the trigger. No, yes, it's breaking with it. Kind of building a new range here on the Qs, but it's gonna blow out to the bottom, I think. Hey, this is going down. This was literally the perfect setup here, and I didn't take it. I actually did take it, took it late, and I didn't trust it. Just pulled it for nothing, really. Yeah, I'm sorry I didn't read chat. Yeah, basically just what I thought. Like it broke high, it kind of fell in. So right now I do think, I mean, I think we're stuck in this range here for now on the Qs. And I kind of want to see what the S wants to do here. I think we're now kind of just stuck here, and I think we're building a range here at the highs from the Qs. But and it really depends. When ES wants to catch up, I think, like ES also pushing highest, and obviously Qs are probably gonna break, but now we started to mid pivot this range. So this could be a short opportunity here. Trying a short here. Cut this early again. This should have didn't, like, if this is a mid pivot, like it should just, like it should just go here and not like hover around. Like now we are arranging in the middle, so and once we're arranging in the middle, this most likely goes to the top of the range again. So I don't want to be holding this short to the top of this range here. So that's basically why I cut it here. Now I did come to the tick here. Now it's just ranging. Now we kind of top ticked it, but we're building volume, so it wasn't a clean top tick, I guess. Like this is probably going higher, probably going to the top of this range. Like I think we're building a range here. And AES is also building a range at the mean. Like probably someone is kind of accumulating here a position, I guess. I think it really depends what the S wanna do. Now this kind of bottom ticked here. So this Might dangerously look like a long here. I don't know if it can't get through here. I think this is going to the top of the range. Especially with this bottom tick here now. But what does the S want to do? Like, does the S just want to hold or? Yes, it's really struggling here. Now Q's kind of top ticked. Taking a small loss here. I didn't have OCO orders on here. Like that was my mistake. So I got scared. Basically. Gave back 30 bucks here. Like that sucks, obviously. Let's see. Can we get a healthy breakout on the Qs? Nope. This wants to run. Jesus. Why is the S not moving though? I kind of want a long yes here though. Oh, wait, I'm in here with two. I don't think yes has a lot of upside in it. Just because they are lagging so much behind the Qs. kind of want to be watching closely here, but I just think I really need to hold this. I want to let it breathe here. I want to let it breathe. We did get rejected here though, but I want a kind of money flow here. Just not patient enough for these yes trades. Now we're coming in. Jeez. Gotta be more patient for these yes trades. Gotta be more patient. Now it's gonna break completely out here. Guess I could have re-entered here on the pullback, but it's not uptick, both markets just completely breaking out. Looks more like a breakout than a top tick to me. Yeah. Gotta be more patient. Also, on my Q trades, it's fine to be quick. And on the yes trades, I need more patient. Need to be way more patient on my yes trades. And this is grinding higher now, in my opinion. We had a lot of volume accumulate here. And now, like, they are finally taking this higher, I guess. Oh, I need to be more patient on my ES trades. Need to be way more patient. Auf 22 jetzt nur mehr. Auf 22 plus nur noch.
22?
Ja.
Du warst ja schon voll weit, oder?
100, was ist da? It's going higher right now. So you can either kind of look for a pullback here. Or honestly though, like the way the NQ pushed here, like I could have maybe started accumulating AS position around here on the 29th, I guess, to play it for the entire break, but I was just too short bias, I guess, because of the ES top tick earlier. Now yes. Ooh. This looks bad, I guess. That's a hard rejection, yeah. But I don't want to fade it as the general uptrend here. Buyers coming back in immediately on the Qs. And we're already back at the highs here. The S still kind of struggling. Qs are just so strong. Qs are so ridiculously strong today. Might wanna... Wie bitte? Fading the Qs here. Ah, I got a bad fill here. Got a very bad fill here. Qs are pushing, yes, is just accumulating volume, I guess. No, like Q stop ticked hard. Ah, like this is the one I kinda wanna get short in. It's not falling like I wanted to. Nah. Okay. I just need to give it a little bit more breather here. Should have given it a little bit more of a breather here and then decide. Now the S kind of took out this to a tick. So this could either reverse now back up. Let's see if we mid pivot here or if we just shoot through. Looks like we're mid pivoting here. Or not. Wanna get out here. I guess we mid pivoted after. Need to execute through Dom here. Now we kinda I really wanna wait for something good. Yes, it's kind of failing here. Get me in for fuck's sake. Those are the most annoying trades, to be honest. Like, I can't even like describe you my emotions on those. Like, that's the second time today that I entered on the ask and it just ran straight to target without me. I want to be careful though. Bald fertig. Ich würde gerne einen Winner hätten. Hm? So. 13. 13 Euro. Ja, voll. Break-even. Man hat ganz Mikro los. Nein, passt schon. Wieder? Nein, passt schon. Okay, so we kinda pushing through here. We could look at this at like a two-legged, but in general, like in this bearish flag, which we kind of bottom tick. So wanna be careful. Like in general, we're in this. I think in general, like we wanna go higher. So we wanna be there very careful with shorting. Like obviously, I don't want to long it somehow either here, even though I maybe could, but I don't want to. Now we hit the highs. Yes, not at the highs yet. Like, but we just kind of hard top ticked it here. Kind of bad entry. But I need to give it this breather here. I really don't like all the buying that I'm seeing on the yes. Cutting this for break even. Probably gonna regret this, but I don't like all the buying that I'm seeing on the yes. Like, just let the trades breathe. Like, just let them breathe. Oh, God's sake. Just this constant buying on the S, like, this is what I was most scared of. Like, the S is just keeps on the Argos keep on buying here on the S, I guess. Oh, S looks really like. Mm. just to a tick lower here. Let's see. Yeah, maybe I'm too short biased, but I don't know. Like I kind of don't like longing this shit either, because we are just ranging and we're constantly at the top of this range. Now I'm kind of missed the short. I kept on looking for, I guess. Like I'm third trade today that I enter on, join, ask, and not get filled, and it just runs to target. Third one. Now we kind of just do a tick here at the bottom. I do expect some sort of pullback here on the ES, maybe to the mean here. On the Qs, I mean. Yes, is really struggling to get back to the mean here. Oh, Jesus. This is not looking good. I do like how the S is acting here, so I kind of want to stay in this, but I really need to see this fall through here. Yeah, just like this. I don't believe how bad my feels are. Like, I mean, I'm glad I got out here, but I need to like kind of just move the hard bottom tick on both markets. Like Qs are just, I don't know what the fuck. Like, should have long the S here. I should have just long the S here. Like, why didn't I long the S here? I fucking sake, why didn't I long the S here? Like, this is the perfect trade here. Like, oh. Like, here I could have almost kind of just put my entire account long here on the ES. ES was lagging, both at bottom ticking at the same time. Insane push on the Qs first. Like, this was I guess the perfect trade. Like, if you ever wanted to see a perfect correlations trade, I guess that was it. Like, thank you, by the way, Bonk. I did that trade. Like, you could have longed the S here for a break of high of the on like 10 lots, I guess. So, like, this was almost guaranteed here. I think yes, is still honestly though, like where's some news or something like that? Who does someone have a news feed open, running a good one? Because this is just not normal. What just came in, like never seen this in 4 or 5 years of trading. Like a move like this outside of a news event. Like I don't know what the fuck was going on there. No news, Jesus. Okay, probably just some random billionaire buying a lot of stocks in one little piece. One along yes here on the pullback. I think yes has another leg in it. I wanna see. Kind of want to see buyers come in here. No, at some point. Kind of have a leg of buyers here. User. This does no longer look so good. Like I give this last chance here. I know I need to be more patient on my yes trades. But I kind of want to see the buyers come in here. Yeah. I guess they're trying another time here. But the Qs are really no longer showing the same strength here like they used to. Just got out for a tick here. Qs ain't showing the same strength. Ah, yeah, that could be maybe a Fed speaker or anything. I don't know. Over trading at its finest today. At least you're gonna see some action here with all my over trading. Does look weak. Everything looks weak now. Oh, this could have. I don't know what this was. Maybe they just wanted to liquidate everyone. All the shorts and. No, they're taking it down. Like, because this move in once, like, this liquidated everybody. Like, this was huge move here. Now we seem to be finding some more buyers again. on the Qs, just below this pivot. This looks weak. Yes, kind of holding healthy though. Yes, it's just not moving. I hate that ACS is not moving. Like, when ES is not moving, I hate it. Like, yesterday was so nice to trade because ES was moving well, so I had a good feeling for the overall market. If ES isn't moving, like, it's so tough for me to get a good read on the market. Now it does seem like trying to long here. Yeah, should have obviously not closed that trade. Ah! But it's fine. It's fine. So with that, like, I'll be calling it for the day. Like, I took way too much trades today. Like, way too much. But I think it's fine. Like, I do like my new Qs. I do like. Whoa, Jesus! Like, obviously, like, I should not have closed that trade. But what's that? Like, 50 to, I guess, like, breaking for this 69. Yeah, whatever. Like, I should have just moved to break even here and go for a break. Also, like, long DS for a break of high, but now I'm feeling the FOMO. Start to feel the FOMO here. Because, yeah. I'm gonna be calling it here at this point. No, I don't know what the fuck is going on here. Let's look at journalistics here. Because I really need to track. I kinda really need to track all my stats, I guess. But look how big of an impact this makes. Now I just want to show you guys something, okay? Like, listen to me. Like, I have on my journalytics, okay? On my journalytics, I have my Apex commission set, okay? So on the journalytics, I have the standard Apex commission set, okay? So the commissions I would be paying if I were still using the Apex rhythmic connection, but I switched to trader weight now, okay? So with that being said, today, with the rhythmic commissions, select account. Yeah, it's great. I mean, look at the difference, okay? So if I total gain, that's not right. I maybe don't have commission set for NQ, just for yes, I guess. Probably that's it. Okay, never mind then. Bin fertig, komm gleich. Ich muss noch kurz stoprappen. So, basically, what we want to look at, obviously, the commissions, like I said, like they are one less, so $1 less with the trader weight connection with the new one. So that's a lot. Like, I took a lot of trades today. Like, let's check how many trades I took today. That can't be right, though. So that's like. So 37 trades today. So basically, today I kind of took that's a lot of trades. Jesus, that's a lot of trades. Yeah, that's a lot of trades. That's kind of too much. But anyways, like that's $37 I paid less today in commissions because I switched to TradeAway. Okay, so and I only made $118. And since I switched to TradeAway, like now I've only paid this. Like if I would have paid $30-70 more in commissions if I were still with the Rhythmic connection. So therefore, I would have only had like, I guess 70 or 80, around $80 profits. And now I have $120 of profit, which is great. Yeah. And if you're using any other like prop firm, like there are prop firms out there who have even $5 in commissions, then you'd be even like, then I would barely even break even here. Like then I would have like $70 more in commissions if I would have, for example, with UProfit or something. If I would have been with UProfit, I would have paid $70 more in commissions today. So then I would be at only $40 profit. So that's, commissions are a huge thing when trading futures, like when trading everything, but especially futures. So we had the largest loser with $135. 4 scratches, a little bit less scratches. I need to get better at scratching my NQ trades. There were some like I was 100% sure that we're gonna fail basically, and I didn't scratch it. I have around my 60% win rate, which is average for me. Average ME is a little bit big, but that's normal now. With NQ it's obviously a little bit bigger. Everything else is kind of normal as well. This was the NKS trade I was kind of patient with. Yeah, good one. Good first day. Good first day, and I hope you all have a great one day as well. I hope you didn't get chopped up in this job fest here, and yeah, I hope you all didn't get chopped up here in this job fest, and I hope you have a wonderful evening, I guess. If you have any questions whatsoever, as always, feel free to ask me in my Discord. So the NQ thing is something I've been playing around a lot recently. Just this fast-paced scalping on the NQ with like correlations to ES. But I've never much done it on stream. But I was always doing it well. Like I was always doing it very well. So, and I kind of sometimes even when I had bad days, then in the evening I was kind of scalping the Qs and then made some back or like even made some more profits. So that's also like kind of how I passed yesterday. Like most of my profits yesterday were from the Qs. So I figured I'm just gonna try this here today as well. It is working for me, especially when ES is moving so slow. Yeah. That's for that, I guess, and yeah. So I hope to see you in the Discord. Check out my homepage for my free trading course. Might add some about my NQ's trading style as well at some point, because I do think it's nice. And I'm gonna like be putting some more work into as well. I also have my daily reports there on the Yes, which you always can look at. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the stream, and see you guys tomorrow. Ciao.